So if you're considering using Kit as your email marketing platform but not quite sure which plan to opt for, um, let me give you a tour of what's available and why you might want to choose one over another. So this is me on the Kit pricing page, and there are three plans that are publicly advertised. You can see here. First one is the newsletter plan, second one is the creator plan, and the third one is the creator pro plan. If you decide to go for, if you decide to start with a free trial for 14 days, then what you'll get access to is the creator plan or the creator pro plan, whichever one you decide to have a trial for. Let's say it's the creator plan. You'll start your 14-day trial, and then by day 15, if you haven't applied a payment card to your account, then you'll revert back to a free plan. Okay. Now that free plan that you revert back to is not actually advertised here on the website. It's a free plan that comes with no automations or email sequences. It's just the ability to collect subscribers and send them broadcast emails. The newsletter plan is slightly different. So the newsletter plan is free, so it's zero cost per month, and you can have up to 10,000 subscribers, which is fantastic. And it also comes with one visual automation and one email sequence. Now those features are normally reserved for premium plans. You don't normally get those things on a free plan. However, with one visual automation and one email sequence, you are quite constricted when it comes to developing or designing a complex email marketing system that does all the things you want it to do automatically without you having to do anything. If, however, if you have the type of business where all you want to do is, say for example, send out a regular newsletter, let's say you send out a newsletter every week or every fortnight, then the newsletter plan is probably the right one for you, because you don't need a lot of automation if that's your business. However, if you have a business where you want to have multiple email sequences, you want to be able to drip feed content to your subscribers across a range of topics, you want to have multiple landing pages or opt-in forms that are all associated with different automations and they do different things, then you probably want to opt for one of the premium plans, i.e. Creator or Creator Pro plan. If you're just getting started, my recommendation is you go for the Creator plan, because it's probably got everything in it that you want, and you can always move up to the Pro plan at some point if you really want to. So that would be my suggestion. If you plan on just having a simple system where you're sending out broadcast emails, go for the newsletter plan. But if you want something that's a bit more refined, a bit more complex, a bit more flexible, then go for the creator plan. And if you don't have many subscribers, you can start on 1,000, up to 1,000, and then as time passes and your subscriber list grows and grows, you can move up a band, and when you do that, your price increases as well. Now that shouldn't really be a problem, because the more subscribers you get, the more income you should be generating to support that model. That's why it's done that way. So that's my recommendation. It's up to you to decide which one's right for you.